Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a gel polish tutorial for you. I've started off with 2 coats of white and now I'm just removing the tacky layer after those layers have been cured. I'm then going to use a small dotting tool. This is to start to create the leopard print pattern, and I'm going to do it in 2 neon colours, so a neon yellow and a neon orange. So I'm just going to start by making some splodges all over the nails, different shapes and different sizes using the 2 colours. Once you're happy with that step, just cure it in the lamp. Now you can either use a dotting tool or a thin brush, and we're going to partially surround the leopard print spots using black. In the surrounding white spaces, we're just going to put a few irregular black specks. Lastly, you just need to apply your top coat. I'm choosing to use this scattered glitter one. Cure that for the last time in the lamp.